Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This time looking at the pretty high-end 2020 Panini Spectra NFL. So this is actually, if you've been following along, this is going to be my first football opening of the channel. So again, these cards brought to you by The Arena. You can check them out on the screen in front of you. So, last time we had NASCAR. This time we have football. I definitely know a little bit, tad more about football more than I know more about NASCAR. So I at least know a little bit of the bigger names in this product per se. Panini always has the heart. I am so terrible at this. Give me a dislike in the comments below for this. Wow, that's terrible. That's really on tight. Anyways, I'm knocking the camera around. Again, I do like the packaging, at least as these kind of like come up. You have these nice like border around. I like that a lot more than Topps usually just kind of stacks all their things in there. So, again, high-end, 4 packs. We're getting some autographs. We're going to get some jerseys in here. Hopefully get somebody like Tua, Jalen Hurts. I mean, Jalen's probably not as big, but Tua Tagovailoa. There's probably going to be some cards in here that I'm going to see, and I'm going to be like, I don't really know who that is. But we shall see. I'll try and hide it best I can, so we can go one at a time. Alright, so first off, we have a Darnell Mooney from the Bears. It's going to be a rookie. See if I can cover up the cards. That's going to be 11 out of 35. Next, we have a Jerry Jeudy. We can already see it's 174 out of 199. Is this going to be one of our autos? No, it's going to be a patch. All right, it's not really a patch, but a jersey. Next era. So 2 numbered cards back to back. I'm liking that so far. And next we have a Chase Claypool. It's going to be number 2 out of 35. That's going to be kind of a jumbo jersey there. That's a nice kind of design. So Chase Claypool for the Steelers fans. And Devin Hester. I remember him doing all those returns. That's really nice. That's an on-card auto. A lot of these are going to be sticker autos, but that's actually on card. That's very nice. 5 out of 25, so I actually really like that one. Again, he played for the Bears. I'm personally a Packers fan, but yeah, really big ups for the on-card auto. Seen a lot of sticker autos in this product so far, so having an on-card is pretty nice for sure. Move on to the second pack. Might be able to see a little bit of that. We have a rookie. Oh, there's our first card right there. Maybe I opened them out backwards. I don't really know. But Jonathan Taylor, rookie. It's going to be with a jersey, sticker, auto, aspiring autographs. Let's see if it's numbered. 14 out of 60. And here's our guy. Not an auto, but kind of the donut circle parallel. We have a Tua Tagovailoa, out of everybody's favorite Alabama Crimson Tide, now playing for the Dolphins. And I'll see if that is numbered 5175. Oh, yeah, so I guess these probably all are going to be numbered. And here's a Jalen Hurts already. This might be an autograph. 15 of 30. And actually, it's neither. It's just going to be rookie aura rookie card. I like the look of that, though. Get a nice, thick card stock on these cards. And last card, Derek Brown from the Panthers is going to be our final Spectra card. It's going to be a rookie. Looks like him at the Combine. 10 out of 75. Moving on. It's Sunday as I'm filming this, so I got some football on in the background. Trying to do this. Oh, we may have a really nice one here because we have a pink here. I'm not sure if I'm opening these the correct way, if I might be going from the back forward, but Michael Pittman Jr., rookie, 2-color relic with the pink auto. And that is going to be numbered 8 of 25. I'll put that one on the screen. I like that one quite a bit. Wasn't sure how many autos we were going to get. Thought I'd be filling up the screen pretty quickly. Next up, Epic Legends, Jason Taylor from the Dolphins. That one, oh, there it is. There's the number. 16 of 75. John Hightower the 4th, 33 of 50. It's going to be a die cut card. I like these kind of die cuts. It's going to be a rookie, just the Spectra kind of base card. And Cole Kmet, 58 of 99. That's just going to be another base card, but at one of his rookies. Please let me know down in the comments below what were kind of some of the big hits, especially out of the base cards so far. You know, I'm not sure how much even the base cards go for. I know this is a high end, so I'm sure all of the cards here go for something. But I mean, probably my favorite card so far is maybe that Tua jersey. And we have a Packer. Oh, no, it's not a Packer. I saw the yellow pants. I thought it was a Packer, but it looks like we have a Baltimore Raven here. And it's going to be a sticker auto. Patrick Queen rookie card. That's with him as his LSU jersey. More than likely national champion, as he was previously. 141 of 199. And we have a 2 patches here, or swatches. Mari Cooper, Stephon Diggs, Spectra. Nice play on words there. And it looks like we have another die cut coming up. Oh, no. Oh, that's the middle card. But no, we have a high voltage Damian Williams of the Chiefs. Nice 2-color there. And that is going to be 11 of 15. So nice low number. Prism. And Brian Urlacher throwing it back a little bit. Die cut 11 out of 20. Base card. And Ryan Fitzpatrick is going to be our final card. 19 of 75. And that's just going to be a base card there. So I'll go through these cards just real quick. Pulling out a lot of the patches. I like that Stephon Diggs, Mari Cooper one. Patrick Queen, rookie auto. I'll have to see how much that usually goes for there on the eBays. You have a Jason Taylor there. I did like the Jalen Hurts rookie aura card that was numbered 15 of 30. And, you know, maybe not the highest value. I mean, who knows? Maybe Patrick Queen is, and even Michael Pittman are huge guys. But of the guys that I know, I do like this Tua jersey here, 51.75. So that's probably my personal favorite of the video. And we did have the Jonathan Taylor rookie auto. What else we got? We got the Devin Hester. I'm not sure what his value has aged. I believe he's in the Hall of Fame, if my memories are correct. Then we have the monumental Chase Claypool and the Jerry Jeudy Broncos. And that was about it. Other than the rest were just kind of the base cards. Nice set of rookies, though. I think a lot of these were out of the rookies set, so that's nice to see. But again, yeah, these cards brought to you by The Arena. Again, apologies for my maybe somewhat ignorance on some football cards. Maybe I just got a huge hit and I don't even know it. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what I missed. Hopefully I can learn more about football cards and all that. As you know, I'm pretty much mostly into baseball. But yeah, I do have more videos coming soon. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. You can like, share it with your friends, subscribe if you want. and we'll see you next time. Bye.